Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing another tutorial, and I'm doing I'm making pizza rolls for lunch today, and the 4-meat kind. And there's two, directions you can cook these, by oven or by microwave. And I'm gonna microwave them and show you guys what I do. And what I do is I go ahead and open it. If it will let me open it. Almost. Okay. No. Okay, here we are. Okay, so I opened it, and this is what it looks like. They're frozen, of course. And then I just pour them onto a plate. So you're going to need a plate for this. And then I just kind of spread them out a little. And then after that, I put it in the microwave for about 80 to 90 seconds. And then if they still feel cold after like 80 or 90 seconds, 10 more seconds. So I'm gonna put it in for 85 and put it in for 85 seconds. And I will be back and show you guys you're basically done. Then I'll come back after. Okay, just beeped, and that was after 85 seconds. And I'm gonna see they need to be cooked a little longer. They don't, but I think just to make sure, maybe 5 more seconds. It says 10, but I'm gonna just do about 5 maybe. And yeah. And then they should be done. And here's what they look like. And that's how I make, frozen pizza rolls. And yeah. I mean, that's what it says on the instructions too. But I basically just simplified it made it easier for you guys to follow the directions. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you really love this video, share it with your friends so they can love it or like it. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. And if you want to, so you can check out my previous videos. And if you want to get notified when I post new videos, click the notification bell, and have a lovely day or night. Bye!